My name is Maryam. I'm working as robotic engineer for 8 years in Omron POC Center in Germany. My tasks are technical support at hotline or customer sites, feasibility studies, and holding workshop and trainings for cobots, collaborative robots. First years of my studies in electrical engineering, I was not sure if it's right for me and exactly what I'm looking for as my future job. Till I had an internship in a big automobile manufacturer in my hometown, Tehran. Visiting different sections of the factory, I came to the fully robotic salon in which car bodies were made with welding and screwdriving robots. I was just fascinated. It was like I'm in another planet and the robots are aliens. Day after day I was going there looking at the robots before the security cut me. Not a sweet end, but I told myself, you will know all the things going on there. And years after, it just happened. What I want to say to youngers is that do not let others define you and determine your interest. Do not let yourself easily come to the point that is not mine. I cannot. Choose a role model who is interested in the topic and can wake your interest as well. Then decide yourself.